can see down in there, you go through these holes. There's two. Get the nuts off. Now you gotta try to get that clip loose. You just pull this rod back and it pops out of the clip. That clip there. Put the clip into the new handle. Push the clip up, feed it through the door. Line up the studs. I got them started off camera. See if you guys can see. See if you can see up this way. So that rod that you can see right there that runs up to the handle, it pushes down on the latch so it falls out of the hole it goes into. There's nothing that really holds it. Door is shut. Door opens. This door closes better than the other one, just doesn't open very well from the fender. So at least that's one more project done. I just got a few things in here, some wiring. Hopefully we get some more nice days out and I can get more done out here. It's nice right now, but it's like just about 3:30 in the afternoon. And I'm in the shade right here.